In this video, we're diving into SUI and predicting how much 2,500 SUI could be worth by 2026. But before we continue with the video, I just want to say that if you guys want to trade crypto, I've partnered up with Bybit, one of the largest and most reliable exchanges with a wide range of coins and advanced features. It's user-friendly, secure, and perfect for all levels of traders. Sign up with the link below to claim a free $500 position airdrop and get up to a $30,000 bonus. At the time of recording, the market value for the cryptocurrency SUI is at about $4.19, while its total market cap is around $12.6 billion. This pricing level represents a fantastic time to buy for any investors who are presently looking for cryptocurrencies with massive potential for exceptional growth in the next few years, especially by 2026. Other than this great price to buy, the present market cap of SUI still indicates that the cryptocurrency is still nowhere near its peak growth stages. What this implies is that there remains a great amount of room to grow, and the potential for a value appreciation up to through 2026 will be only the beginning of what could be a future full of explosive growth. When SUI had just entered the market, its market value was at about $1.40. The cost was much more attractive and cheaper for many investors who wanted to invest their money in the project. Like other cryptocurrencies, it has faced its share of negative market sentiments and dipped to an all-time low, recorded at about $0.3643 in October 2023. But after that started to gain real traction, accelerated up to an all-time high of $5.35 in January 2025, showing real capability for securing attention and value alike through investment in this token development fueled by its solid, innovative technologies, compelling vision, and strategic partnerships, reinforcing its authenticity and the credibility of its use. SUI is a very innovative blockchain platform and is at the bleeding edge, putting much focus on being able to deliver very high levels of scalability. This makes it possible for SUI to process and manage a higher number of transactions efficiently without sacrificing the quality of its performance. It has very low latency, which would imply that transactions get confirmed quite fast, and the user experience is seamless. Also, it provides cost-effective solutions, and all of these put together make it a wanted platform for building and deploying decentralized applications out in the market. SUI's foundation is established on the Move programming language, which is fascinating in its own right because it has been specifically developed with the intention of enhancing security mechanisms as well as the efficiency of executing smart contracts. What is so fascinating is that the SUI blockchain utilizes an innovative consensus mechanism that executes transactions in a different way in parallel form to offer a fresh approach that differentiates it from the conventional approach of executing transactions one by one, which has been the usual practice in most other blockchain systems. This impressive and revolutionary development makes it easy for the network to grow and expand in an effective and efficient way, particularly with the ongoing rise in the demand for transactions over time. This constant growth of transaction demand eventually sets the network up as one of the best in the larger blockchain space. One of the most important functionalities of SUI is the ability to use object-based architecture. The assets in SUI are objects of different kinds that possess various features instead of using an account balance-based mechanism, as in most traditional blockchain networks. This also opens up big possibilities for personalization and optimization during dApps development, giving their creators a chance to elaborate on complex solutions without sacrificing too much on either performance or security. The fast, low latency, and inexpensive processing of transactions could be one more reason for its appeal specifically to gaming projects, DeFi applications, and NFTs. SUI's growth is enhanced by the significant partnerships it has established over time. One of them is the collaboration with Red Bull Racing, where SUI becomes the blockchain partner. This collaboration sets its focus on providing great experiences for all users via digital collectibles and NFTs. With blockchain technology, Red Bull will be able to strengthen its bond with all of its fans through unique and exclusive content. This deal is proof that SUI has the power to push blockchain technology into mainstream industries, showcasing its versatility and appeal compared to more traditional cryptocurrency use cases. A close look at the SUI roadmap attracts heavy development focus in its ecosystem, with the attention of developers and its community. Also, SUI has created a wallet for all users, a very comfortable way to operate your assets and also interact with dApps. Safety and convenience have been maintained as top priorities while creating this wallet While working with the SUI network, staking functionalities were also added by the team, where the owners would be able to contribute towards network security and earn rewards. That is indicative of interest in building a strong, user-friendly platform. The other development within the SUI ecosystem that alludes to the great prospects of its bright future entails cross-chain functionality, whereby SUI has been enabled to interact with other blockchain networks. This really serves to boost interoperability and therefore makes life very easy for the developers who try to build applications across platforms. An example is the ICA protocol, allowing SUI smart contracts to interact, control, and coordinate assets on other blockchains. Looking forward to 2026, one thing that is sure is the immense potential for the value of SUI to see outstanding growth. SUI's remarkable approach, innovations, and strategic alliances speak so much about a concrete and well-laid platform to ensure success in the coming days. By the year 2026, if SUI can capitalize on its inbuilt technological strengths along with strategic alliances that it has enrolled in, then there is a high likelihood that it could attain a price point of $5 or higher. This would translate to the 2,500 SUI tokens being equivalent to a value of about $12,500, showing tremendous potential for financial appreciation. In addition to that, the highly anticipated bull run of 2025, known for causing explosive growth in the markets, is sure to help the price of SUI increase. As it has always been, the event of the bull run is a period where many cryptocurrencies' values skyrocket, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If an event such as in 2021, where Bitcoin achieved over $65,000 and Ethereum reached over $4,800, occurs this time around, this would culminate in respectable price increases, and SUI might just turn out to be the perfect beneficiary with its ingenious technology and an ecosystem that was well built. During this time, it is not rare for individuals to be far more hopeful, and as a result, new projects like SUI are likely to see an enormous surge in the number of users that they have and the capital that is invested in them. Whenever the bull run kickstarts, there is a possibility of seeing SUI trade at about $7 to $10, which could extend into 2026, since SUI has the strength and the potential of sustaining its value even during negative market trends. By 2026, if SUI is valued at these price predictions, your 2,500 SUI will be valued between $17,500 and $25,000. This is partly optimistic. Expecting such would be high reflection grounds for the effect a bull market would have on interest in scalable, blockchain-based solutions like that offered by SUI. With increased adoption on the road ahead for Web3 technologies and their ensuing applications, an exponential surge is in store for sites capable of sustaining high transaction loads. By 2026 or beyond, SUI could emerge as one of the leading blockchain platforms, taking into consideration that it continues to meet the demands of a fast-evolving digital economy. If the project keeps on delivering its promises and uses its partnerships right, the value of SUI can grow exponentially, bringing significant returns to early investors. However, this is not financial advice. Always do your research before investing your money in any coin. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.